Just got done watching Knock at the Cabin. It is from 2023. It's a 1 hour, 40-minute long movie, rated R. The movie says it's 4 armed strangers hold a family hostage in a remote cabin, forcing them to make an unthinkable choice to avert the apocalypse. I thought it was okay. It definitely, I don't know. I know they're trying to, like, keep you guessing, and I don't know. I didn't really care to keep guessing. I don't know. It feels like they were really wanting you to care about the characters a lot more than I was able to. The characters were okay, I guess, but I just really didn't give two craps about what happened to the characters. And yeah, it's not one that I would watch again. If you like apocalypse style movies, suspense movies that it says it's a horror film, but I don't think I would call it more suspense and horror.
It's not like the other apocalypse movies, let's just put it that way.
It is somewhat violent, but yeah. I'd probably give it a 2 out of 5.
Yeah.
Same for you, about 2 out of 5?
Yeah.
So, if you've seen Knock at the Cabin, let me know what you thought of it. But, it's not really one I could recommend in good faith, yeah. I will look and see if it's on Amazon. If it is, I'll put it below. And thank you so much for watching this review. I'll see you in the next one.